Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best power relocation kit is probably one of the most overlooked tools in any home or office setup, but it can make a huge difference. Today, we're diving deep into the world of power relocation kits, exploring their features, benefits, and how they can transform your space. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just looking to tidy up your cables, this video is for you. Number 5. Sleek Socket Ultra Thin Outlet Concealer Kit. Tired of messy cords? This kit helps you discreetly hide outlets and cords, improving your home decor. The flat extension cord creates a clutter-free environment. This ultra-thin device blends seamlessly with your wall. It reduces clutter and potential hazards, making any room look better. Simply attach it to your outlet like a regular plug. It's designed for quick and easy use, so you don't need any tools to set it up. The kit comes with adhesive strips and clips to secure the cord to the wall. This simple and cost-effective solution keeps your cords organized and out of sight. It works with all standard duplex outlets. This ensures a versatile fit for various setups, whether you're organizing cords in your bedroom or behind furniture. Not only does it eliminate clutter, but it also provides more usable outlets. The 8-foot outlet concealer includes a 3-outlet power strip. Sleek Socket is designed by a family-owned small business. It has safety certifications, ensuring that it meets the highest safety standards. What we like. This product's ultra-thin design allows it to blend seamlessly with your wall, eliminating unsightly plugs and cords. It also includes a cord concealer kit to keep your space tidy. If you are looking for a simple, tool-free solution to declutter your living room or bedroom, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The kit included everything needed for the relocation. The instructions were clear and easy to follow. The product worked as advertised. Number 4. Sleek Socket Outlet Concealer and Cord Kit. Tired of messy cords? This kit discreetly hides outlets and cords, enhancing your home decor. It's perfect for powering multiple devices in your home office or entertainment room. Say goodbye to clutter and hazards. This ultra-thin device blends seamlessly with your wall. It's a sleek solution that enhances your home's visual appeal. Installation is a breeze. Simply attach it to your outlet like a regular plug. It's designed for easy use, making setup simple without any DIY projects. Keep your cords organized and out of sight with the included adhesive strips and clips. You deserve a simple and cost-effective solution for a tidy space. It works with all standard duplex outlets. This ensures a versatile fit for various setups. It offers a reliable fit while keeping your space neat and efficient. Not only does it eliminate clutter, but it also provides more usable outlets. This 6-foot outlet concealer includes a 6-outlet surge protector power strip. This product is designed by a family-owned small business. It has safety certifications under all applicable UL standards, ensuring that each product meets the highest safety requirements. What we like. This product comes with a surge protector and multiple outlets, perfect for powering all your devices. It is designed to hide the entire outlet and cord, creating a clutter-free environment. If you need a reliable and safe power solution for your home office or home theater, this is the one for you. What people say. The kit included everything needed for the relocation. The instructions were clear and easy to follow. The product worked as advertised. Number 3. PowerBridge 2CK TV Cord Hider Kit. Introducing the PowerBridge 2CK, the ultimate solution for hiding those unsightly wires. This kit is designed to conceal your cables, giving your entertainment area a clean and organized look. The PowerBridge 2CK is incredibly easy to install. You won't need an electrician, it's a simple DIY project with snap-together power connectors. It includes everything you need for a quick setup. This in-wall cable hider features a recessed design, making it compatible with even the thinnest wall mounts and TVs. It blends seamlessly with your existing outlets for a clean finish. The kit includes dual AC power outlets and a low-voltage pass-through for your Ethernet, HDMI, and audio cables. This ensures all your connections are neatly hidden within the wall. The PowerBridge 2CK includes a 15-amp rated in-wall cable and extension cord that are NEC code compliant. It's safe to use and designed to meet all necessary standards. Plus, it has indicator lights to show it's working. This kit is designed to fit standard 2x4 and 2x6 stud walls. With minor modifications, it can also work with plaster, lath, and wood-based wall coverings. What we like. This kit offers a dual outlet and an in-wall design, ideal for a clean look behind your wall-mounted TV. It is easy to install, with snap-together power connectors, eliminating the need for an electrician. If you are looking for a simple DIY solution to hide your TV cables, this is a great choice. What people say. The kit included everything needed for the relocation. The instructions were clear and easy to follow. The product worked as advertised. Number 2. Legrand Wiremold In-Wall Outlet Relocation Kit. This in-wall outlet relocation kit is trusted by professionals. It allows you to extend an existing outlet's power to a new location, keeping your space tidy and organized. This kit helps you relocate your power outlets. It runs neatly behind the wall, providing convenient power access without messy cords. Installation is a breeze with this DIY kit. You can move power up to 4 feet vertically or 6 feet horizontally, and it only takes about 30 minutes. Whether you're remodeling your kitchen or upgrading your office, this kit has you covered. It includes a pre-wired power outlet module, in-wall rated power harness, and more. Wiremold products are designed to work together seamlessly. This kit saves you time and provides flexibility in various environments, from homes to schools and hospitals. What we like. This product allows you to relocate an existing outlet to a new location, running neatly behind the wall. It's easy to install and comes with a pre-wired power outlet module. If you are remodeling your kitchen or upgrading your office and need to move an outlet, this is the perfect solution. What people say. Easy installation and worked like a charm. I like the flush single wall gang, all the others were wider and deeper. It's a quality product and I like modular design and how everything can be easily unplugged if needed. Number 1. DataComm Electronics Pro Power Kit. Tired of messy cables? This kit from DataComm Electronics helps you achieve a clean, professional look. It easily conceals power and low voltage cables behind your TV. This recessed cord hider fits behind ultra-slim TV mounts. It allows you to route power and multiple low-voltage cables, eliminating visible wall outlet connections. Installation is a breeze. The molded mounting wings secure tightly to the wall. You can install it in 30 minutes or less, without needing extra mounting plates. This product is RoHS compliant and UL listed, meeting rigorous safety standards. It provides seamless in-wall cord management and is safe for use. The kit includes everything you need. It comes with a recessed cable plate with power, a straight blade inlet, electrical outlet boxes, an extension cord, Romex wire, and wire nuts. What we like. This product features a recessed design, perfect for hiding cables behind your wall-mounted TV. It's easy to install and meets rigorous safety standards. If you are a DIY enthusiast looking for a clean and professional look for your home theater, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The kit included everything needed for a successful installation. The instructions were clear and easy to follow. The product was well designed and functioned as expected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.